Patiently in the wings, Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Anything you got to get off your chest when it comes to livestock?
Have been impressive for a while, and especially today. We talked about it in the grain segment. Kind of a lot of these outside markets feel like they're on shaky ground. And a lot of times when you see that happen, you see that spill over into a little bit of weakness in live cattle. But that hasn't been the case in today's session, which I think is overall constructive for the market. May mean that there's some underlying strength behind the scenes here, which is tough for me to really see at the moment. I was expecting to see a little bit more consolidation and even a little bit of weakness with some of the economic data that we've seen recently. The cash market has been more or less a stick in the mud around 143, so not a lot to write home about there. But here we are. We're like $1 away from contract highs in that December contract. So that's been a pretty impressive market. But again, I think a lot of eyes and attention are going to be on next week's Federal Reserve meeting. If we get that risk-off environment on a higher than expected rate hike in the equity market, it'll be tough for live cattle to overcome some of that volatility.
We're going to see a lot of movement with money if that's the case, because